how to do the Ask Me Anything on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will show you how you can do the Ask Me Anything filter on Snapchat. So you want to make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to conduct this feature, aside from Snapchat app, you want to download an application called SendIt. It is available both on your iOS App Store as well as your Android Google Play Store. So make sure to download this application called SendIt by Iconic Hearts as well. Now once you open the SendIt application, it will ask you to log into your account. So just go ahead and then log into your account as well. So let me also just go ahead and allow the permissions that this application requires. Now by default you will already see the Ask Me Anything filter. If you'd like to edit more of it, then you can tap on the edit option and you can choose the font. You can add some text if you want to. You can actually choose the format as well. Once you do that, you can also choose an emoji or anything that you want to add to this specific prompt. Then after you've done that, what you want to do is you just want to tap on the done option, and after you come to this page, you can tap on the CAR game section. Here you can simply choose a filter that you want, and inside of it you can just type in anything or just tap on the play button over here. Once you tap on the play button, you'll be taken to the Snapchat page. Now on the Snapchat app as well, you can go ahead and do the Ask Me Anything without having to use that specific filter from SendIt. So you don't have to use the one from SendIt as you see right over here, but you can go to the lens filter on all the way to the right hand side of the screen. Once you go to the explore section, here you simply want to search and type in Ask Me Anything. Once you type in the Ask Me Anything filter over here, you'll be able to see multiple ones, but the one we are going to use is the one by Ravi Rao. So you want to type in Ask Me Anything, then you want to type in RAVIRAO, and you'll be able to see the search results. The one that looks like this in a 3D picture like icon is actually the one that we want to use. So just tap on this filter over here. Now since this is an AR filter, you want to make sure to place it around an object, and when you place it around an object, you can just take this specific photo over here, or you can also choose to actually take a video if you wanted to. Once you take it, you can just tap on the next option and people will be able to add a caption and then reply to your snap with the Ask Me feature. And that's all it takes to do the Ask Me Anything on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.